This is a System 11 Jokerz. I actually forgot for a second. So we went ahead and replaced both 6802 sockets, game ROM and sound ROM sockets, NVRAM installed, new power header, 3 power input filter capacitors, the reset capacitor, as well as the 2 10UF capacitors here in the sound section. So we'll go ahead and get this thing powered on. And I just forget to power up my bench. And I've already got this thing set to free play. Get the lamp matrix dancing there. I think it's trying to do something with the ramp, because it'll actually tell you in the test report. Check switch, the ramp up and the ramp down, which I'm assuming those are optos. Center ramp did not go down. And we don't have a soundboard connected to this, so we won't have any sounds coming off. But we'll go through, cycle through all the displays. So Jokerz is actually really similar to Whirlwind as far as the outputs for the displays. It will go through and show every bit of data that comes out of it. I love these dumbass displays, man. They're definitely a game changer. I don't know what I would do without them. So we've got fully working displays. Again, we don't have a soundboard connected, so no sound. All the lamps are working. And actually we'll go into single lamps. Just fly through those here real quick. Obviously all working. And we'll go into coils. Testing both A side and C side. And then into the special solenoid circuit. And these are also switch controlled. And all those are working. And switch levels. So we'll go into switch edges. And we'll go through diagonally, testing both the rows and the columns. And as you can see, all switches are responding. None of them locked on. Got an issue with the wheel. Obviously, we don't have one attached to the bench. Both A side and C side are both working here. And there it is. There's Jokerz. And like I said, I've already got this thing set up to free play there for you. So thank you so much for sending it.